Hi everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you how to make the cutest resin barrette. Resin and barrettes are having a huge moment this summer, so I thought I would combine the two and make a foil flake resin barrette. The great thing about this project is that if you're new to resin, this is a wonderful one to start with because it's very simple and it's fairly inexpensive if you make a couple of them. So if you want to see the very simple way to make your own resin barrette, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start playing with some resin. In the meantime, please feel free to check out my blog, countrypeony.com, for more simple DIYs and tutorials. And you can always find me on Instagram or Facebook at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.